Union Square smooth drawing pads are a great product for the artist that wants that velvety smooth surface and a really resilient paper. We've got a white 80-pound paper here with very minimal tooth, but it allows you to use any dry media and even does some light washes. So just to show you, laying down some graphite pencil, how that would lay down, and I have some artwork that I can show you that we've done. And when you can use all kinds of dry media, it allows your creativity to kind of just go where it's going to go. I'm going to use an alcohol-based marker and just kind of show you how that will set up on it. Now, this is the thick chiseled end. And if you look, didn't bleed through to the next page. It does come through on the other side, but the next page did not bleed through, which is a really nice feature. The other thing, when it comes to light washes, you want to be careful when using any kind of paper for buckling. When you use a wet media, paper can buckle. So a light wash, and I've got a water pen here, Aqua Stroke, just to kind of show you. And turning that over, the paper hasn't buckled, nor do you even see the water coming seeping through, if it gets soaked, super soaked. There is some sizing in that, so it will accept some light washes. Another thing I'll show you is just some artwork that's been done. With any of the Union Square products, you get that really, really rigid, high quality backing board and the cover that you can, well, here you can see, decorate to your choosing. Whether you're just doing some traditional sketching work, using pencil, and then even getting into some pen and ink or black and white. And then finally, we actually had I guess a full marker drawing that we did on this smooth Union Square drawing paper. So the Union Square smooth drawing paper, 80-pound paper, velvety smooth finish, nice white color, really great for any dry media, and will even accept some light washes. So a very versatile tool for any artist.